told you to wash those dishes. The next time I tell you to wash those dishes, you wash those dishes, JD. Get up. Go wash them now. Didn't I tell you to wash some dishes? Didn't I? Put that sponge on them dishes. Put this leather on you. Put that sponge on them dishes. I'll put this leather on you. I'll put this sponge on them dishes. I'll put this leather on you. Put this sponge on them dishes. I'll put this leather on you, boy. Jay, I told you get up. You might be late for school. Come on, get up. Get up. You might be late for school. Get up. Come on. You might be late for school. Go get ready. But jump. Didn't I tell you get up, boy? Didn't I tell you get up, boy? If you miss that bus, I'm gonna be late to work. If I'm late to work, I'm gonna be late on my bill because I'm gonna get fired. If I'm late to work, I'm gonna be on the. If I'm late to I'm gonna be on the. Get up, boy. You missed that. I missed that bus. Get up. Hey, you told your mom to shut up? Go apologize now. Go apologize now. Sorry, Mom. Ridiculousness. Hey, you told your mom to shut up? Try to see if you can shut up after I put this on. Try to see if you can shut up after I put this on. Try to see if you can shut up after I put this on. Try to see if you can shut up. Shut up, boy. Hey, get off the game and do your homework. Come on. You can start back? Huh? Go. Get off the game and do your homework. Get off the game and do your homework.
Ridiculousness.
Hey, come get off that game. Do your homework. Come on. You just talk back? Huh? You just talk back? Talk back, then it's gonna be the last time you talk. Talk back. It's gonna be the last